why positive affirmations don't work. Have you ever tried using a new positive affirmation and you're repeating it day in, day out, yet you still find yourself slipping back into the old patterns, and eventually you're back right where you were, right? And hardly anything's changed. So why don't positive affirmations work all the time? The simple answer is that the soil, the deeper layers of the mind, are still toxic. Okay, so the deeper layers of the mind, let's call it the subconscious mind, there's still programs, there's still beliefs in there that are influencing the conscious mind. So when you're using positive affirmations, you're saying them consciously, right? You're just putting on the top, you're just putting a little bit of energy, a little bit of focus in there, but the subconscious mind is full of all this toxic stuff. And so generally it will overpower in time the positive stuff you're doing. So there's another way you can do it. The other way that I found much more effective is that you've got to spend some time looking at these negative belief systems. You've got to dig into the subconscious mind and start working out what's really going on in there, And there's lots of techniques you can do to work this out. Lots of great questions you can do. And like techniques like EFT is really good at uncovering these negative patterns. And that's actually why we focus in EFT on negative beliefs and negative emotions more than just focusing on the positive. In my work, when I'm working with people, with hundreds of clients over the years, is that what I'm actually looking for is, I'm looking for negative stress. I'm looking for them when they start breaking. I'm looking for them when they start getting stressed out, when they talk about something. I'm actually looking for stress, right? Because when stress starts being triggered in them, that's an opportunity actually to start shifting that. So once I find the stress, it means that that's a usually subconscious negative program. And then I focus on the stress and we tap on it, we use EFT, and we start neutralizing, re-regulating the brain so that the stress is no longer so reactive, right? And what this means is the subconscious mind is starting to be cleaned up. And so we can use positive affirmations, and they do work for some people more than others, but to the degree of the toxic mess that you've got in your subconscious mind is to the degree that the positive affirmations won't work for you, right? For a person who has a clean, let's say clean subconscious mind or an empty subconscious mind, the more likely and the easier it is for positive affirmations to stick and work straight away. And that's why things like meditation also work, because meditation helps clean the subconscious mind so that when you put in positive affirmations, it's easier for that person to align to it. So that's generally why positive affirmations don't work. It's because there's too much toxicity in the deeper aspects of the mind, deeper layers of the subconscious mind that need to be addressed first or at some point before those positive affirmations will stick and actually help transform your life.